Hey guys, I was going to say, I don't know what I was going to say. Just thanks for my 3 subscribers. I only wanted like, 1 subscriber, but 3 is okay. I'm happy. But we can make it more. Come on, people. I'm a chicken. So I want you to like do more for me. If I get 30 likes, I might do a house tour really early. If I get 50 likes on this video, I'm going to do my intro and you can see my identity. Okay? If you get 100, then I gotta do something important. So yeah. Also, the Husky YT is actually Galaxy Husky YT. Find it. I said the wrong name. I'm sorry. Come on, guys. Deal with it. So yeah, you guys better subscribe to me. No. Subscribe and like this video. Because I might do 3 special stuff. Who knows? But hey, that's if we reach the goal. So see you guys. Bye.